So what is special about our pumps or high pressure pump in this case? Basically, it's something that we were talking for several times during all these exhibitions through the years, is the efficiency. We are offering, let's say, the highest efficiency in the market. We are having up to 92% efficiency. And it's, let's say, easy to say that. But it's not easy to develop a product that we can reach this amount of efficiency, and what is more important, across all operating conditions. So normally, when you design a centrifugal pump, so all the competitors is, you try to design a pump in the best efficiency point, and in this point you will get the best efficiency. But as soon as you operate without out of these conditions, obviously the efficiency will drop, and this will have a really high impact on the power consumption. So as you see on these pictures, I mean, simple design, few moving parts, and it's important to know because basically we need to think about also about the maintenance, about the operators, all these people that is going to work in on-site, and is going to work in maintenance, also doing service of all our pumps. So it's really important on these pumps having first of all on-site maintenance, so you don't need to send the pump back on the warehouse or back on the external service agent. So you can do all the service, all the maintenance on site. So you will save time, you will save money, and what is most important, you can do it by yourself. Okay. A couple of things that I want to highlight in this slide is that we can operate with constant flow regardless of pressure. So if you have any variation on the pressure and you have different conditions through the years, this flow will not be affected, and neither the efficiency.